All right, Jay. Nature's Sprite.
I've been
Take
waiting.
one.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, fizzy. Oh.
Wow, yours is really fizzy.
All right. Ooh,
Wow. That is really good.
I like it.
I did not know what to expect.
It was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's very sweet, very bubbly.
Yeah.
I don't think it tastes piney at all. Yeah, if you just gave this to me, I didn't know what I was drinking,
Yeah.
I wouldn't guess pine.
No, this is probiotic.
Yeah. It's like nature's soda.
I really like it. What kind of pine tree?
White pine. You think it tastes like Sprite?
I haven't had a Sprite in so long.
Clear and light, tart and tingling, icy bright. Tart and tingling, brisk and breezy, clear and teasy. Taste, taste, taste the tingling tartness of Sprite, Sprite. Springling, sparkling Sprite.
Taste Sprite, the soft drink that's naturally tart.
All right. Luigi approved. Nature Sprite. What's your hot take?
I approve this message that you should go out and drink Nature Sprite.
You heard the man. Nature Sprite. Happy trails. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sprite, from the Coca-Cola Company.